Unraveling Inspection Findings, a guide to understanding. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting pair of words that you might come across in various contexts. Inspection findings. Understanding these words is crucial, especially if you're navigating environments like workplaces, rental housing, or any scenario where compliance and standards are important. So, let's break it down together and make it as clear as possible. Inspection refers to the act of examining something carefully, usually by someone with the authority or expertise to do so. This could be a health inspector checking a restaurant, a landlord inspecting an apartment, or even a teacher reviewing a student's assignment. The key point here is that an inspection is thorough and aimed at evaluating quality, safety, or adherence to rules. Moving on to findings. This term is used to describe the results or conclusions that come out of any examination or investigation. Findings are the what was discovered part of the process. They can be positive, like finding that a restaurant meets all health standards, or negative, such as discovering violations in building codes. When we combine these terms, inspection findings refer to the results or conclusions derived from inspecting something. These findings are crucial because they determine whether something is safe, legal, and up to the required standards. They can lead to actions such as approval, recommendations for improvement, or even penalties for non-compliance. Understanding inspection findings is essential for several reasons. For one, they can affect your safety and well-being, especially in contexts like housing and food safety. They also play a significant role in ensuring that businesses and services comply with laws and regulations, maintaining a fair, safe, and healthy environment for everyone. We hope this video has shed some light on what inspection findings mean and why they're so important in our daily lives. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone curious about the English language, understanding these terms can help you navigate through various aspects of life more effectively. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more interesting topics with you.